hope you guys are doing well, and I'm so excited for this video. You have no idea. Woo! Yes. So in this video, I'm going to in this video, I am going to be doing it. In this video, I am going to be doing an unboxing, but this isn't any unboxing, you guys. This is my first PR box. Ooh, so excited. BEAUTYLISH, you guys. BEAUTYLISH. If you're not familiar with BEAUTYLISH, I'm gonna link their website down below. But they were so kind, and when I saw the email, I was so excited. They were so kind to send over some skincare to your girl, because you know I got skin problems. Well, not skin problems, but you guys know the drill. You guys know the tea. So they were so generous to send over a PR package of their Good Molecule skincare brand, guys. And I waited just to open it on camera because I wanted to share it with you guys, because without you guys, they wouldn't know who I am. They wouldn't have sent it over. So I am so thankful for you guys. So I'm so excited. I'm so silly. Okay, so it says, "Hi Mia, hope you enjoy Good Molecules. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. Cheers, Serene." So I'm gonna frame this, you guys. I'm so gonna frame that. Okay, so I'm gonna take off some of the paper. So there are some products inside. And let's see. So the first thing I got is the Good Molecules. Now, I don't know how to pronounce this, but niacinamide serum formulated with 10% niacinamide to refine skin texture and minimize pores. So it says apply a small amount to your face in the morning and at night before oils, moisturizers, and creams. Oh, okay. The packaging is cute, adorbs. So this is what the packaging looks like right here. And it looks like a nice clear, and it doesn't have a scent. Okay. Let's see how it feels on the back of my hand. Oh, that absorbed like really well. It feels like water on the skin, and it just like absorbed straight into my skin. Wow, that feels like it's going to be magic. That feels like it's going to be magic. So I'm going to be trying out these products today, because right now I am about to get to work. So when I come home, take off all my makeup, I'm going to go ahead and try these products. Next, I have the overnight exfoliating treatment. Okay. Apply a few drops to clean skin at night. Use up to 3 times per week. May cause irritation if used with retinol or other acids. Okay. Okay, so this is what, oh, again, it's like a clear serum. Okay, so let's see. And again, it has that same like watery gel-like watery consistency where it like really absorbs into the skin. Like you can't even see it like on the back of my hand. I can feel it a little bit. It's really nice and softening, but you can't really like feel it. And they don't have a scent, which I love, because my skin can be really sensitive to like fragrances and stuff like that. So okay, we are going to be exfoliated and serumed very well. So I got the niacinamide brightening toner formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and help protect skin against environmental stresses, global warming, pollution, all that stuff. Okay, ooh. So this is what the bottle looks like. Is it just a bottle, or is it like, I'm not gonna take off the cap. I'm just gonna leave the protective shield on. But this is what it's like. And they're all in like this nice glass, which I really like. So it feels luxurious. It feels nice and weighted. So I like that. Ooh, I am so excited, you guys. You guys have no idea. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on how these products work for me. And I'm going to let BEAUTYLISH know how appreciative I am. My goodness. And the last product is the Discoloration Correcting Serum, formulated to promote an even skin tone. Apply a few drops in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. Suitable for daily use. Okay. These products sound really, 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 really good, guys. They sound really good. Okay. So this one, and they look like they're all like in the same type of packaging, which is really cute. So this is the Discoloration Correcting Serum. So I'm really excited. I'm pretty sure it feels just like the others. Yeah. And I like that they all have that same type of consistency. I really do. So this is what that one looks like. I am so excited to try all of these products, you guys. And I will let you guys know how they work for me and if I recommend them, especially if you have my type of skin where it's oily, acne prone, you have problems with discoloration, all that jazz. And they asked me what are my skincare issues, which I love. I love that brands really try to get to know what type of skin you have, especially if it's a skincare brand. They really try to understand really ultimately what you're looking for to help with your problems or whatever issues you may have with your skin type. So that's what they did. When they reached out to me, they asked me, I cannot get this thing back in this box. Come on. They asked me what are my issues with my skin. So I told them I have acne prone skin, discoloration, pores. I just want everything evened out and to look smooth every single day. So that's what they did, and I'm so happy with the products that they sent me. They sound like they're really going to work wonders. So I'm gonna give these products a try. Thank you again to BEAUTYLISH Good Molecules for sending over these products. I am very, 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 very appreciative of you, and I hope maybe one day in the future we can have a lot more good times and good products in the future. I got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, so you guys, that is my first ever PR unboxing. I hope and pray. You never know that I'll have a lot more in the future thanks to you guys, and of course I will keep you guys updated on how these products work for me. And without further ado, I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.